Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get files after a factory reset. The best approach is always prevention. Make sure to regularly back up your important files to a cloud service or an external hard drive. Before performing any reset, double-check that your backups are complete and easily accessible. Remember, a factory reset usually wipes all personal data from your device, making recovery very difficult without prior preparation. Understanding data recovery after a factory reset is crucial. It's important to know that this process is often quite challenging, and there is no guarantee of success. Specialized data recovery software can sometimes scan your device's storage for remnants of deleted files. The chances of recovering your data significantly decrease the longer you wait after the reset, so acting quickly is key. If you've performed a factory reset and need to recover files, the first step is to stop using the device immediately. Any further use can overwrite the deleted data, making recovery impossible. Next, connect your device to a computer and use reputable data recovery software. Carefully follow the software's prompts to scan for and potentially retrieve your lost files. This process can take several hours. For extremely critical files, or if software recovery fails, consider seeking professional data recovery services. These experts employ advanced techniques and specialized equipment to attempt retrieval from severely affected storage. However, it's important to understand that professional recovery can be quite costly, often ranging from several hundred to over $1,000, and even they cannot guarantee the recovery of every single file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.